Yo, YouTube, what is going on? Hope you're having a great week. Today, guys, I'm going to show you a brand new Monopoly Go hack working in 2024 on iOS and Android devices. You're going to be able to get free dice in Monopoly Go using a super simple method, and I'm going to show you how to do it today, guys. So you, of course, need to use your mobile phone with Monopoly Go on, so make sure you have the game installed and it is fully updated. Then you've got to head on over to your mobile phone internet. Like I said, doesn't matter which phone you have, just as long as you have Monopoly Go on it. Now you need to go to www.robotcoupons.com. So robot coupons, guys, very important you spell it like this. This website has tons of different pages. You need to find the Monopoly Go free dice page, so simply click on that. Now you can get free dice rolls, free cash, and there is also some reward codes on here, so if you wish, you can get the reward code, but we're interested in the hack. So just click any of the top two. I'm just going to click on the top one. And this brings you to the Monopoly Go hack page. Now you need to press start. And you will see it connects with the server. It's also going to look for Monopoly Go on your phone, and it's going to connect to your Monopoly Go app. So you can see it's detected it on my iPhone. Pretty simple, and you have to select what resources you want. So you can click on dice, cash, or both. I'm going to click on both and then press continue. So you can get 3,200 dice plus an extra 15,000, so that's 18,200 dice, and you can also get 10.8 million in cash. So I'm going to choose the maximum for both and then press on continue. And it's going to tell me I selected that amount for dice and cash. So this is the easiest method to get free dice in Monopoly Go, guys. And it does only take a few minutes if you follow the instructions carefully. So sometimes this happens where it says automatic verification failed. But basically, guys, you will just need to manually perform a verification, which can be things like downloading and playing games or answering surveys. So basically, guys, you just click on verify and you're going to see this page here. And you just need to follow the instructions, and it will take about 5 minutes. But once you've done that, you're going to have your free dice and cash in Monopoly Go. So pretty simple, guys. Just head on over to Robot Coupons, search for this Monopoly Go page, and just make sure you follow through all of those instructions to verify yourself. And yeah, that's going to supply you with a ton of free dice and cash in Monopoly Go using a hack in 2024. So hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace out.